Hello everyone. What we have here today is a Sargent KIK cylinder, and I'm not 100% sure. I think this is a stock lock. It could be a challenge lock, but I haven't taken it apart yet. That is the bitting that it came with. If that's a stock lock, that is probably the most fantastic stock bitting I've ever seen. But we're going to pick it anyway. Let me position this so my hand's not totally in the way. I'm using the SS Dev hook from Sparrows because of all those high-lows. And since I can work from the bottom of the keyway on this, it really helps. A little bit of a rotation on the core there. Alright, I'm thinking I overset something. Nope. And we got it open. Let's take another look at that bitting. Fantastic. It's a Sargent. I think it's a 6-pin. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-pin. Yeah. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. If I find out, I'm going to ask the guy that sent it to me, Ratyoke, I'm going to ask him if this is a challenge lock. If it is, I'm going to do another video where we pick it and take it apart. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave a like, leave a comment. I'll see you next time. Bye bye, have a good night.